How to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA with $500,000 investment. Retirement wealth should be safeguarded from market fluctuations. A Gold IRA offers a strategic way to diversify and protect your investments, especially with $500,000. Gold has proven to be a reliable store of value and can act as a hedge against inflation. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to help you roll over your 401k into a Gold IRA. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals. Unlike traditional IRAs, which hold stocks and bonds, a Gold IRA provides a tangible asset that can shield your savings from market volatility. Why choose a Gold IRA? 1. Protection against inflation. Gold tends to hold its value over time, unlike fiat currencies that lose purchasing power. 2. Portfolio diversification. Adding gold reduces your exposure to market risk. 3. Safe haven asset. Gold performs well during economic uncertainty, making it a solid choice for preserving wealth. How to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA. 1. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. Find a custodian who specializes in Gold IRAs. 2. Open a Gold IRA account. Once you've selected your custodian, open your Gold IRA. 3. Initiate the 401k rollover. Transfer funds from your 401k to your Gold IRA through a direct rollover, tax-free, or indirect rollover, within 60 days to avoid penalties. 4. Select a reputable gold dealer. Make sure the dealer offers IRS-approved gold and transparent pricing. 5. Purchase IRS-approved gold. You can invest in approved gold coins and bullion. 6. Secure storage. Your gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, not at home. Considerations when choosing a custodian and dealer. Look for firms with good reviews and track records. Compare fees for account maintenance, storage, and insurance. Risks and considerations. 1. Price volatility. Gold prices can fluctuate in the short term. 2. Storage costs. Secure storage can add to costs. 3. Tax implications. Withdrawals before retirement age may incur penalties. In conclusion, a Gold IRA rollover with $500,000 can be a smart move for long-term financial security. By carefully selecting a custodian, understanding tax rules, and investing in IRS-approved gold, you can position yourself for stability in an unpredictable economy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.